Residents of Mexico Avenue in Arnett Garden, St. Andrew are fuming about the treatment they say was meted out to them by members of the security forces this afternoon. Here's Anthony Lugg.
A resident of Mexico Avenue in Arnett Gardens, St. Andrew on Saturday. According to the resident, sometime after 5 p.m. they were standing in their yards when the police patrolling the area questioned why they weren't inside their homes. They say a discussion continued, after which the officer used pepper spray.
I mean, a big kitchen pepper spray, the baby them I read, even one of the grandmother, but no, come on man, Mr. Wallace. It's not everybody in the ghetto are stupid people who are abide by the law and who want to know what happen about this. The police them have them right to do them work, but them have to do it correctly. Yes. You understand me? Do them job and do it all for do, because everybody down here are idiot and everybody illiterate. We are follow law too. We are watch news and we see what going in the world, so we want justice. We want better treatment than here. Come on, man.
They pointed to 3 children and a woman who were injured during the incident and insisted they did nothing wrong. Jonestown and Arnett Gardens are just 2 of the communities in the Kingston Western Police Division where there have been complaints of residents flouting the law.
We agree that the first mischief maybe where everybody would have want to look on with down say Arnett Garden the guy come from, wish him apologize and he make it clear say a joke him did again. And everybody back him, and everybody laugh. Come on man, not because when somebody do something wrong, we're not going to kill off the one that we done here with fooling it. A baby them there, look how the baby them eyes swell. To our panic who couldn't even video it. I will have our badge number. Me have the video. I hide my face because me have anything in.
Meanwhile, when we contacted head of JCF's Corporate Communications Unit Senior Superintendent Stephanie Lindsay for a comment, she said she would make some checks. However, up to news time, there was no update. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.